If you're coughing and you know it, wear a mask. If you've a fever and you know it, wear a mask. It's such a simple task, it's not too much to ask. If you're coughing and you know it, wear a mask. If you haven't any symptoms, mask up too. Even if you're feeling fine, mask up too. You can still be quite infectious, mask masking will protect us. Even if you've got no symptoms, mask up too. If you just got home from errands, wash your hands. If you just got home from errands, wash your hands. Before you go and touch your face, make sure there's not a trace. If you just got home from errands, wash your hands. If you wanna visit grandma, please postpone. If you had some plans with friends, please postpone. Yeah, I know you really miss them and you wanna hug and kiss them, but for now it's safer if you stay at home.